Look what came.
Sophomores in Miss Farmer's English classes are writing to pen pals in Israel.
Yeah, I think it's fun to write to people from a different country because I think it's exposure to see what's going on in the world in different places and what they do in their culture.
The students were each assigned a personal pen pal and write to them regularly.
I tell them about my personal life and school, like what we do in English class, what books we read, and basically my hobbies.
The school environment in Israel differs from that of Norwood High.
And I know they write and they learn. They have their native language, which often is Russian, and then they have learned Hebrew, and they learn to read and write it. And now they're learning English as well, because when we get their letters, they have learned English very recently. And if you think of our students learning Spanish or French and how long it takes them to be fairly fluent, they're writing to us and communicating, I think, quite well in English. And it's their third language, and it's their third alphabet.
We learned that they go to a boarding school and they're from all over the country, in different countries around.
They don't go home and see their parents or guardians every day, and I bet they have a lot of different homework because I know that they speak different languages than us.
Even though they come from different countries, young people tend to be similar.
Well, I think they see that there's probably more about the teenagers that are the same than there are differences between them.
Though the project ends at the end of the year, the students plan to continue their new friendships for years to come. In reporting for Mustang Magazine, I'm Megan Quinn.